Hi there, adrenaline junkies. I'm Robert, and today I'm going to take you to the most vibrating and exciting marathon, the Color Run Night in Bucharest. The Color Run Night, also known as the happiest 5K on the planet, had its humble beginnings in the US back in 2011. It was a revolutionary concept that combined fitness, fun, and a splash of color. Fast forward, it's a global sensation that it's spreading happiness and bringing people together all over the world. So, let me share my personal experience of participating in the Color Run Night in the heart of Bucharest. What makes the Color Run Night so unique is that it's not your typical marathon. It's not about racing the finish line, it's about embracing the journey and celebrating life with every step that you take. Participating in the Color Run Night in Bucharest was not about the physical challenge. It was about embracing the joy of life, letting loose, and enjoying every moment. And there you have it, folks. If you ever get the chance to participate in this incredible event or any color run near you, don't hesitate, go for it. It's a celebration of life, happiness, and a lot of color. Thanks for joining me on this colorful adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, stay adventurous, stay colorful, and keep scoring that adrenaline. Bye.